What a beauty. Yay, yay! What's up, boss? You want some freak show chess? Freak show chess. Yeah. 10 minutes. 15 minutes. 20 minutes. Whatever you want. That's your boy.
I like that.
You like him? He's funny. Dave, I think his name, Dr. Dave. He's another Dr. Dave. Dave the Elf. Dave the Elf. He's an elf, yeah.
The elf.
Through here, glide through here, yep. Glide through the lot, avoid the boardwalk. Yes, glide through the lot. We're giving people a pro tip here. VIP bathrooms. I like this building, David. That's the building we want for Green Cloud operations right there with the cactus.
Oh, with the cactus?
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah, that's our spot, dude.
That's the one.
Yeah.
Right.
Ancient vibes. Ancient alien house.
I'll get to work on that one.
All right. Get the investors on it.
The birds are on that one.
Get the investors on it, yeah.
Absolutely.
Look, this place is going up. They're building something big there. Let's see who's jamming over here. Follow that bird. We out here, guys. End of the decade. Hey, there he is. What up, loco? Get it. Hey, hey. Jumanji. Venice. There you go. Says it right there. Venice. The art is everywhere. Jumanji. You in the jungle. You a wild boy. Yeah. Jumanji 2. The sequel should be better, hopefully. Less guns. The original had too many guns.